Welcome to the ultimate guide to online earning potential, unlocking income streams on the internet. Want to break free from the shackles of your daily 9 to 5? The digital realm is beaming with a plethora of income opportunities just waiting to be tapped into. Think freelancing, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, creating and selling online courses. The horizon is limitless. All you need is the right knowledge, the right mindset, and you're all set to unlock these lucrative income streams. Freelancing, it's your ticket to work on your own terms, providing services that align with your skills and expertise. Platforms such as Upwork and Freelancer are your gateways to global clientele. Ever fancied running an online store? E-commerce platforms such as Shopify and Amazon are there to help you sell your products to customers worldwide. A pinch of creativity, a dash of determination, and voila, you're turning passion into profit. Affiliate marketing, it's a passive income stream that grows over time. Promote products or services, earn a commission for each sale you generate, and watch your earnings multiply. Got expertise in a particular field? Creating and selling online courses can be a goldmine. Platforms such as Udemy and Teachable are there to help you create and sell courses to a worldwide audience. Remember, online earning is a game of dedication, perseverance, and continuous learning. It might take time to build your income streams, but with consistent effort, the rewards can be substantial. So why wait? Dive into the digital ocean and unlock your earning potential today. Thank you for tuning in. Found this valuable? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on online earning. Until next time, keep exploring and keep earning.